Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into something super basic but essential: how to turn on your Acer Chromebook from 2025. If you're unboxing your new device or just need a quick reminder, you're in the right place. Chromebooks are fantastic for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and productivity, and getting started is easier than you think. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Acer Chromebook is fully charged or plugged in. Nothing's more frustrating than a dead battery right out of the box. Locate the power button. On most 2025 Acer models, it's on the top right corner of the keyboard, often integrated with the function key or as a dedicated button. It might have a power icon or be labeled clearly. Once you've found it, press and hold the button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll feel a slight vibration or hear a soft chime as the device powers up. As the screen lights up, you'll see the Chrome OS boot screen. This usually takes 10 to 20 seconds, depending on your model. If it's your first time, the setup wizard will guide you through connecting to Wi-Fi and signing in with your Google account. Pro tip: if the Chromebook doesn't turn on, double-check the power cord or try a different outlet. Sometimes, it's just a loose connection. Once it's on, you're ready to explore. The Chromebook's interface is intuitive, with the Chrome browser as your main hub. You can customize settings, download apps from the Google Play Store, and even use it for light gaming or video calls. Remember, Acer's 2025 models come with enhanced security features like automatic updates, so your device stays protected. Turning on your Acer Chromebook is just the beginning of your digital adventure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.